live. Okay. Yeah. I'm coming. I'm looking at a situation. Yeah. Devil money in the down. Let me clean this board. Let's clean this board. You drop this one down. Yeah. Making love, I can do no. Okay, so today we'll be talking about algebraic solving algebraic equation. How do we solve it? So we'll bring some questions to our notice. The first one, solve the variables. Solve the variables. We are talking of variable can be x, y, can be any alphabet. Solve the variables. In the first equation, we have 1y plus 8 equals to 17. You are looking for y. You want to find y. So you can see that this 8 is without alphabet. So, and this plus sign is attached to 8. So we have to carry plus 8, crossing the bridge, become minus. So we have 1y equals to 17, plus 8 is crossing that equals to sign. Equals to sign, we say stop. This plus sign needs to change to negative. Do you agree? You say yes. Then become minus 8. So 1y equals to 9. Then divide both sides by 1 because you are looking for y, not 1y. So y equals to 9. For this solution, the answer is 9. So 1y plus 8 equals to 9. You will carry plus 8 to cross the bridge to go and meet 17 because they look alike. You have to connect like that. Things that look alike, bring them together. But don't forget that once anything is stepping across the equals to sign, the sign that is attached to that number is going to change. It will change. If it is positive sign that is attached to it, it will become negative. And if it's negative, it will also change to positive. And if it is multiplication, it becomes division. And if it's division, it will change to multiplication. Anything that is passing through the equals to sign, we have it assigned sign to change. So from positive, if it's positive, it becomes negative. If it's negative, it becomes positive. And if it is times, it becomes division. And if it's division, it becomes multiplication, crossing this bridge. So solution to this problem, 1y plus 8 equals to 17 will now be that when plus 8 is crossing the bridge, become minus 8. So you have 1y equals to 17 minus 8. Then that is 1y equals to 9. But because you are looking for y, not 1y, the one that is attached to y will go and divide the 9 on the other side. So 9 over 1, the answer is 9. Because 1 will go in 9. How many times? 9 times. So that's that. Let's go to solution 2. Problem 2. We have 59 equals to 8y plus 3. Now, whether it is 59 equals to 8y plus 3, or you can write it in this form, mirror translation. We have 8y plus 3 equals to 59. The first one and the second one, they are the same thing. It's just as if you put your right hand and you place it in front of mirror, it will become the left hand. So that is the way. So now it's just a mirror equation. If it is 59 equals to 8y plus 3, or 8y plus 3 equals to 59, they mean the same thing. So I think it's better we solve it from the second reflection. That will now give us this 3 is the owner of the plus sign. So when it crosses, it becomes minus 3. So you have 8y equals to 59 minus 3. So when you take 3 from 59, we arrive at 56. So 8y equals to 56. Then you divide both sides by this 8. Then your answer will be y equals to 56 over 8. Then 8 will go here 1. 8 is 56, 7. Because 7 times 8 is 56. So your answer is 7. Y equals to 7. That's final answer. So for the solution 2, when you have 59 equals to 8y plus 3, you can do it in mirror image. So that rather than writing 59 equals to 8y plus 3, it can be 8y plus 3 equals to 59. And the next thing is because 3 does not have an alphabet attached to it, you have to move it to go to the other side of the road. And it has to cross this bridge. And the bridge will say, wait, which sign do you have attached to yourself? Then you now say, okay, the sign that is attached to myself is plus sign. And I say, okay, this plus sign, we have to change it to negative sign. Do you agree before I will allow you to cross me? Yeah. We have to change it to negative sign. Do you agree before I will allow you to cross me? If you say yes, then plus 3 will become minus 3, crossing it. Do you understand? So, and that will now give us 59 minus 3. That will give us 56. Then 8y equals to 56. Then we have to look for y, not 8y. So the 8 that is attached to y is known as coefficient of y. Any number that is attached to an alphabet is called coefficient of that alphabet. So 8y, the coefficient of y is 8, is plus 8. So if that is the case, then we have 56 over 8. 8 will go here 1, 8 in 56, that's 7. Then leaving us to have y equals to 7. If that is understood, I think we should go to the third example. If that is understood. In our third example, we'll be looking at 54 equals to 9 plus 9y. 54 equals to 9 plus 9y. 54 equals to 9 plus 9y. When you have something like this, 54 equals to 9 plus 9y, what we do is that we still do our mirror image. That is 9 plus 9y equals to 54, or you can work it straight away. When you are working it straight away, don't forget that this plus is working with 9y. So this one will be 9y is plus 9y. But if no sign is attached to a number, it's assumed that it is plus sign. Everybody that is studying mathematics throughout the world knows that when no sign is attached to a number, that sign that the number carries is positive sign. So if that is the case, rather than writing plus 9y, we can simply write 9y. Then on this side of this place that you have 9, in front of this 9 is plus sign. That's what I just explained. So when we cross the bridge to go and meet 54 on the other side, the bridge, which is the equal to sign, we change the sign from plus to negative. So you now have 54 minus 9 equals to 9y. So you take 9 from 54, you are left with 45. So 45 equals to 9y. Then we are looking for y, not 9y. So this 9, we divide both sides so that you can get what is the value for y. So y equals to 45 over 9. 9 here 1, 9 45, 5. So y equals to 5. So 5, the value of y is 5, which satisfies that equation. So when you are given this simple algebra, this is elementary algebra because we are just starting. Now let's look at another one. We'll do about 6 examples under this one, then we'll stop. So now let's look at another question. Let's say that we are given 4y plus 7 equals to 15. 4y plus 7 equals to 15. And we are looking for what is y. They said find the variable. I told you that variable is any alphabet. The variable can be x, can be y, can be z, from A to Z. Those are the variables. Variables are numbers that is changing. So the alphabet, because in mathematics we are always looking for x. Find x, find y, find b, find all the alphabets. But the one that is often used is x and y. But that does not mean that other alphabets may not be used. They are also they are relevant in the equation depending on what the question is telling you to look for. The question may say you should look for C or B or D. So whatever the question asks us to look for is what we will solve. So in these questions, we have been looking for y, because that's the things they gave us in this equation. They are using y in most of the questions. So at times it may be B, it may be C, it may be Z. Depending on what you are to find, yours is to solve. Now, We have 4y plus 7 equals to 15. Then this plus 7, the 7 is the one that is having this plus. So when you want to carry 7, you must carry it with the sign that's attached to it. Then to move to this side, crossing the bridge, the plus sign will become minus sign. So you now say that you have 4y is equals to 15 minus 7. 15, you take away 7. What do you have? 8. So you have 4y equals to 8. Then you divide both sides by this 4 to get ordinary y. So we now have, divide both sides by 4. You have y equals to 8 over 4. And y is 2. So what satisfies that equation is that y is 2. At times when you get your answer, you might want to verify whether the answer is the correct answer or wrong answer. How do we check? Checking if your answer is correct. Now, what you do, you say that if 4y plus 7 equals to 15, what is here must give you this 15. Yes, by the time you replace the value of y on the left side, it must give you the answers in the right side. So 4y, our y is 2. So 4y, that is 4 times y, that's 4 times 2. Then plus 7 is equals to what? It's equals to, we don't know. And it's supposed to be 15. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 7, that is 15, which means that the equation, the answer is correct. When y is 2, it satisfies that equation. Thank you. That's what we'll do today. That's what we'll do today. And I'll see you tomorrow for another class. Thank you.